That, and I threw my phone across the wall and it just froze. I'm trying to see if you can fix it.
Don't worry, I got you.
Here's a random Ninjago fact for you. Did you know that unlike a lot of other Ninjago seasons out there, the pilot episodes collectively do not have a proper title? With most fans just referring to these episodes as, well, the pilot episodes, because technically they are not an actual season of the show, they are, again, pilot episodes. However, some official titles have been used before, such as Masters of Spinjitzu being used by official marketing for the pilots, though that ended up more so being the name of the first Ninjago.
Me at the Grammy, she my nigga for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. Me at the Grammy, she my nigga for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. Me at the Grammy, she my nigga for a reason.